Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this session, we'll solve this square root problem. Here in this problem, we have square root 108 plus square root 81 divided by square root 108 minus square root 81. So here, square root 108 will factorize. So how will factorize? So it is 2 times. So we can write 5454. Again, we'll take 2 times. So it will be 27. And 27 is the multiplication of 3. So we can write 3 and here it will be 9 and 9 is multiply 3 into 3. So now we'll arrange this value with the pair. So 2 and 2 1 pair, 3 and 3 1 pair. So in place of square root 108 we'll write, so we can write it as 2 square, right? Here it is 2 square multiplied by 3 square and we have 1 only 3. So we'll write 3. Now we have plus, so it is plus, and 81 we know simply it is 9 square, so we'll write 9 square. Now whole term is divided by the same value of 108. We'll write 2 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 3, and here we have negative, and square root 89 will write 9 square, right? So it is in the form of square root a multiplied b multiplied c. Now we can write this value as square root a multiplied by square root b multiplied by square root c. So we have segregated all the values. Similarly, we'll segregate here. So now we can write square root 2 square multiplied by square root and 3 square multiplied by, here we have square root 3. Now here we have plus, so it is plus, and here square root and square value will be cancelled, so we'll simply write 9. So it is 9 here. Now divided by the same value, here it is square root 2 and 2 square multiplied by square root 3 and 3 square multiplied by square root 3, minus here again square root and square value will be cancelled, so it is negative 9. Now let's simplify it. So here again square and square root value will be cancelled. Here again square and square root value will be cancelled. Now similarly in the denominator we have square root and square value will be cancelled. Similarly here it is. Now in the numerator we have 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by square root 3. So 2 multiplied 3 is 6. So 6 square root 3. Here we have plus 9 as it is, divided by the same value. 2 multiplied 3 is 6 and square root 3. Here we have negative 9. Now from the numerator and denominator we can take common. So we'll take 3 common from the numerator and denominator also. So if we'll take 3 common from the numerator, the remaining here is 2 square root 3. So it is 2 square root 3 plus, if we'll take 3 common, so it will be 3, and whole term is divided by, now again we'll take 3 common from here, only thing the sign here will be negative, so it is 2 square root 3 minus 3, right? Now here 3 and 3 will be cancelled, so now we are left with 2 square root 3 plus 3 divided by 2 square root 3 minus 3. Now in the next step, we'll eliminate the square root from the denominator. For that, we'll rationalize it. For rationalize, we'll multiply with the different value. So here it is negative, so we'll multiply by the positive value. Now look at here, we'll multiply by 2 square root 3 plus 3. We'll divide by the same value. It is 2 square root 3 plus 3, right? Now in the numerator, if you look at it, is 2 square root 3 plus 3 and multiplied by the same value. So we can write it as 2 square root 3 plus 3 whole square, right? And in the denominator, if you look at it, is a minus b multiplied by a plus b, right? A plus b multiplied by a minus b, it is a square minus b square. So we'll write 2 square root 3 whole square minus 3 square, right? Now in the numerator it is in the form of a plus b whole square, so we can expand it. So it is 2 square root 3 whole square plus 2 times 2 square root 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 square, right? And denominator we have, now in the denominator we have 2 square root 3 whole square. 2 square is 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, so it is 12 minus 3 square is 9. Now value of this square value we have calculated is 12, so it is 12 and 3 square is 9, so 12 and 9 is 21. And here we have plus, so it is 2 multiplied 2 is 4, 4 multiplied 3 is 12, so it is 12 square root 3. Now divided by the 12 minus 9 is 3. Now from the numerator we can take 3 common, so here it is 7 plus 4 square root 3. In the denominator we have 3, so here 3 and 3 is cancelled. Now finally we have 7 plus 4 square root 3, and this is the answer of this problem. So friend, hope you have enjoyed the video. Before you leave, please give a thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.